Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the LonelyFans token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything that you have to do in order to get this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn how to buy, how to sell, and lots more, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first, we just want to open up our Trust Wallet here. I'm just going to let you guys know as well, I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB in this video. If you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I will have separate tutorials in the description as well as in the comment section for you guys to go watch first. And then you can come back here and then learn how to buy the token. Anyhow, first thing we have to do once you guys have your BNB inside of your smart chain wallet is just go ahead and add the contract address for the token. So I'll have a link over to CoinMarketCap in the description. So you guys can just copy the contract address and paste it inside of Trust Wallet. So if you just head over to that link now, it'll be like this. And all you want to do is go beside where it says contracts and just click on this little copy button. Once you do that, you want to head back over to Trust Wallet. Then you just want to go to the top right of your screen where you see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Click on that. And then you just want to go to this top search bar and paste the contract address in. Then you could enable the token and click on done. Once you have the token inside of your Trust Wallet, you can now go ahead over to PancakeSwap, and I'll have a link in the description and comment section for that as well. So you just want to go ahead and open that up, and I'll show you guys what to do next. And now that you guys are on PancakeSwap here, the first step that we have to do is connect our wallet. So all you want to do is go to the top right corner of your screen where you see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once you click on that, you'll see a couple options here. You want to choose Wallet Connect here instead of Trust Wallet. So we're just going to click on Wallet Connect. And then here we have an option to choose any one of these wallets. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So you just want to click on Trust Wallet here. And then it will open up inside of your Trust Wallet asking you to confirm to connect your wallet to Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap at least. So to pair them, so you just want to click on Connect for that. And then once the wallets are paired, you can just go back and head over to PancakeSwap, and you will know they're paired when you see the wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as your balance of BNB above BNB right here. Now, if you guys don't see your balance of BNB here, but you do have BNB inside of your Trust Wallet, just go back and make sure that you have it inside of your Smart Chain wallet. If it's not in your Smart Chain wallet, it's not going to be showing up on PancakeSwap. Anyhow, all we have to do now is select a currency, and then we can paste that same address in that we got from CoinMarketCap. We will then see the LonelyFans token pop up here. So we just want to click on Import, I understand, and import. Now all we have to do now is change our slippage tolerance. So if you just go to beside where that little settings gear is and click on that. And then here we just want to change our slippage tolerance to 12%. So you just type in 12% here. You can then exit out of here. And then all you have to do is decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into the LonelyFans token. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to transfer 0.2 BNB. I can type that in here and it will show me the amount of the LonelyFans token I'll get in exchange for that. Now, if you guys are happy with what you see here, you can just click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It just should tell you here to swap, and then it will bring you to another page showing you your broken down version of your transaction, like your fees and your withdrawal rates and things like that. So if you're happy with what you see there on that second page, you can click on swap one more time, and then you should get a successful transaction notice. Once you get that, we can head back over to our Trust Wallet, and your coins will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you how to get the LonelyFans token. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.